The AutoSum icon in the editing group can be used to quickly add the contents of the adjacent cells. Click cell C15 and then click AutoSum. A formula appears for adding the cells above C15. A moving dotted line indicates the cells that have been included. Simply press Enter to get the total. Click the down arrow near the icon. Here you can see some other options. These can be used to get the average, count, maximum and minimum of a set of cells in a similar way. The clear icon in the editing group is used to clear cells. Select cell A1 and click Clear. You can see various options. Click Clear Formats to remove the formatting applied to the cell. Note that the contents of the cell are not removed. Click Clear Contents to clear the contents of the cell. Now select the cells in row 2. Click Clear All. You can see that using this option clears both the contents of the cells as well as the formatting. The Sort and Filter icon is used to organize your data so that it is easier to analyze. To sort the regions alphabetically, select the column containing the regions. Now select Sort and Filter, Sort A to Z. The sort warning window is displayed. This is because Excel senses that there is related data in the adjoining cells which needs to be positioned correctly with the respective region. So, you need to expand the selection. This button is already selected. Simply click Sort. The regions are now arranged alphabetically with the correct data in each row. If you click a single cell in a column and perform a sort, the selection is automatically expanded. You will not see the sort warning window in this case. Let's try this for sorting the regions in descending order. Click any cell in the region column and select Sort and Filter, Sort Z to A. The regions are now arranged in reverse order with the correct data against them. Filtering data. Now suppose you want to filter this data. You want to see the information related to only a specific date. Click Sort and Filter, Filter. The small arrow buttons appear next to the column headings. Click the button next to Date. Under Date filters, clear the Select All box by clicking it. Now click the box in front of the date of which you want to view data. Then click OK. You can now view data related to the specified date only. To clear the applied filter and view the complete data again, select Sort and Filter, Clear. The Find and Select icon is used to find cells containing specific kinds of data. To find cells containing the text South, click Find and select Find. In the Find What box, enter the search criteria. Then click Find Next. The cell containing the first instance of the word South becomes active. Click Find All to see the cell references of all instances of the word at the bottom of the Find and Replace window. For now, ignore the $sign in the cell column. You will learn about it later. You can click an instance to make that cell active. Click the X icon in the top right corner to close the Find and Replace window. To replace the cell content by other content, you can use the Find and Select Replace command. Say you want to replace the text South by Southwest. Enter the new text in the Replace With box. Click Replace to replace a single instance or Replace All to replace all instances. A window is displayed informing you about the number of replacements made. Click OK. Now close the Find and Replace window.